So I'm leaving for Iceland tonight and I'm just ended up packing all of my stuff, both of my bags, the main bag and the camera bag. So in this video I'm gonna show you what I exactly pack whenever I'm leaving for any of my epic road trips. So the first bag is this camera bag. This is a Loe Pro 450AW roller bag. So let me just show it to you. The first part stays is the lip balm and then a small lock. For the second, one small earphones just to monitor the audio. The first chain stays is the MacBook Pro. Then my scripting diary for each of my video. Wallet with the currencies. Passports. So this is it for the front section. Then for the main, it stays is the one pen drive for just data backup while I'm moving, and the pen drive for the car audio, some microfiber cloths to clean the lens, and then the Mavic Pro RC sticks, the cables for iPhone and S8 Plus, and then the Rode Video Mic Pro for the vlogging, MacBook Pro RC, power bank, Mavic Pro 2, and the Samsung 360, Sony A7R III with the 16 to 35 millimeters, and the extra batteries for the Mavic with the LiPo bag, GH5 with the 818 Leica, Zeiss bait is 85 millimeters, and the Gorilla Pod. So this is basically what it stays in my camera backpack. It's somewhere around, I guess, 17 kilos. Do not tell that to Indigo or Emirates or any of the airlines. Well, so this is pretty much it about the camera bag. Now let's see the main huge bag. It's more than, I guess, 20 kilos. 22, 23. Need to pay more for the extra baggage. This bag looks more of like a biscuits, Maggie, peanuts bag. This is all about food, I guess. I guess everyone who lives from India to any of the country, their mom or wife make sure you're traveling with food. I mean, my bag is full of biscuits, Maggie. It's maybe more than 10 kilos of biscuits and Maggie. Anyways, cannot just leave without taking those from home. So basically in this main bag, lot of food stuff, biscuits, Maggie, peanuts. And for Iceland, I'm not carrying a lot of stuff. I'm just carrying like 3 pants, just 3 jeans, one huge puffer jacket, and I guess 2 or 3 more jackets. It's going to be super cold. And then just belongings. I guess you have already seen it in the stop motion video. Undergarments, biscuits again. Whew. For this is the main electronics zone. Wow, you need to see this. So hiking boots, gloves, neck warmer, thermal pants and tops, and socks, raincoat, mandatory for Iceland, cap. Whew. Yeah, it fits perfect. Torch, and then one head torch as well. Looks good. Perfect. And for this, those are not the filters, those are the Mavic Pro 2 props dabbas. ND filter for the Sony, GoPro batteries, ND filter, 2 GoPros, and chargers, cables, battery stuff, one huge Belkin cable. I mean, yeah. Every time I take this to the airport, I'm always questioned about why I'm carrying this. So I have to answer like I have to charge a lot of stuff. So I keep on carrying this. Then a small GoPro handle for the B-roll, cards bag, phone, GPS holder for the car, lot of cables, mouse, and those are kind of mandatory. So there are actually a lot of electronics I always keep on carrying. So in case you are looking to see all the details, I've actually documented in one of my blog actually on the website. I have linked below in the description. You can just go ahead and check. I have also linked all of the products to both the Amazon India and Amazon US as well. Go ahead and check it out. Happy shopping. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's all about what I normally pack in my bag. And I'm already late for the flight today, so I need to leave. And I will see you tomorrow from Amsterdam, and then we'll be reaching Iceland and picking up the car. So I'm gonna talk to you from Amsterdam tomorrow. Push!